Kevin, you gotta check out this place. Better Health Studios by SnakeFit. Let's go meet Yuda, the instructor and the owner of this place. Very, very cool, geschmacke vibey gym over here in Borough Park, yeah? Vamos ver wie Yuda ist, du? Wie ist Yuda? All them hustling here. Oh wow, oh wow. Yuda!
Hi!
What's going on? What's going on? Good to see you, good to see you.
Good to have you here. So
Wow, it's my first time seeing you in person. Man, are you ripped? You're in the gym, man. You're in the gym. Let go of the mic, huh?
All right.
Make sure it doesn't break from your muscles over there. I need that mic, wow.
Right.
So, Cole, I heard a lot about SnakeFit, about your place here, about your gym, and congratulations.
Thank you. All right, let's show everyone what we got. So over here, right when you come in, we have our expensive machine in body scale for you and for us to know exactly where we stand from week to week. And then we're going to transform this place, we're going to get into office. And over here we have our bar, amenities. We got some protein shakes.
Nice.
We got our energy drinks, and water, coffee, ice, whatever you got, we got you. Then we have our waiting room. And over here we have our hangers, cubbies for rent. And then over here we have our showers, bathroom, and then the cubbies where you can use every time you come in, and then you take your stuff when you leave. So over here we got our gym, we got our water fountain with cups. Over here we got our cardio section. This guy has been putting in the work every single day.
So nice.
Look at him running,
Hustling over
here. Over here we got our full sled turf.
What's
so
a
it
sled
starts
turf?
there. So basically this is made for explosiveness and strength, where people can push heavy weight in a safe environment, and they can run with it, walk, pull, put something on their shoulder, and run with it as well. Over here we got our kickboxing section.
Give me some kicks. Oh boy.
And we have our balls. We have everything is needed. This wall is made special to throw balls at it, because these balls weigh up to 25 pounds. They get really heavy.
That's
Sand balls. Gets really heavy.
So you throw it at the wall.
Yeah, so it doesn't break. Over here we got our the big machines, the pulley, the cages. We got our system here for good energy. This is my favorite part, the board, where I tell people what to do, and my clients get to check the stuff they did.
Nice, nice, nice.
And the rest of the gym, we have a leg press machine right here. And then over here, we got our gym bro section, which if you don't know what it means for young guys that like to push heavy weight. We have dumbbells that go up till 80 pounds.
Wow.
What do you say?
Nice. I love this place. This is a super cool place, and I love your energy.
Thank you.
You got energy. We spoke on the phone. I didn't feel it so much, but I come down here in person. Just you look at you. You say you put in a lot of work in the gym.
Yeah.
Looks like you spent many hours in the gym. Kol hakavod. Wow. Love this place. Love the energy.
Sure. Yeah.
And Yuda, how many guys are enrolled in this gym?
Right, so till now we have this option where people can come and go and then pay a membership as a regular gym. Now, since I came in here, I transformed this gym into a VIP style gym. That means when you come in, I will tell you what you need. You won't decide what you need, because most people don't know what they need, and they go kind of easy on themselves. So I tell you what you need, I tell you what is the best service that's going to fit for you, and then if it's okay with you and it fits, we're starting right away. So that means private training 1-on-1, that means semi training, which is up to 3 people in a group with 1 trainer. Then we have private groups where you bring your friends and you have your own trainer and you have your own good vibe with your friends. And then we have public groups as well. And then for last, we have boot camps, which is about 10 people coming in, putting on the work, sweating a lot, and then having a good time. And then for the final thing, we have also nutrition by me, which I'm my health coach and fitness coach. So that means we come in for a weekly evaluation with the scale, with me. We'll talk about your weekly changes, what needs to be changed, what needs to be added, and so on.
That's cool, that's cool. So it's no more a public gym where anyone can come and just work out. It's going to be VIP, 1-on-1, or classes, or like you say, the full package, nutrition as well.
Yeah, the VIP package.
Wow.
Hi, what about you? Maybe you come, do this yourself.
You think, Kevin, you think I can? Let me put the camera on me. In the gym over here?
Guys, let us know. let's transform.
You know what? Let's do a goal. If I get 1,000 votes on my status that I should start, I started running.
Really?
Yeah, I run. I have a Sam Middleman, a friend of mine I run with. He convinced me to run, but if I get 1,000 votes, Kevin,
guys,
by next week, then I should start doing the gym. We're gonna start coming into the gym.
Guys, let's go. We gotta get those votes. We gotta see him rip six-pack and everything.
You never know, but vote it in and we'll start coming to the
Guys,
gym.
if you vote it, I'm gonna make it happen. So you do you, I'm gonna do mine.
I think it's very healthy and it's very important for anybody to come to the gym. And like you say, VIP package is the best because when you come yourself to the gym,
Right.
you're gonna be easy on yourself.
Yeah.
When you does down your back, he's gonna make you work out like
We
a
also
man
have
and get that
different
six pack.
trainers.
You think I can get that six pack one day?
I think so.
Next level. Wow. So what's the phone number to reach out to start becoming a member?
My number, which you talk straight to me, is 347-834-4013. Call,
text,
text,
call, WhatsApp.
everything.
All right, and if somebody wants to follow you on YouTube or follow you on your platforms, I'm going to put all your platforms on the screen over here so people could see your big stuff over here. Have it out to my Lechling and Tug, and stay healthy, stay safe, and snake fit. Hey, Yuda, you can't let me out of here before giving me a good shake. I heard you're the best when it comes to shakes. Let's taste one of your shakes over here.
All right, what flavor you think you like best?
Watanuva from Israel. Give me a salted caramel.
I got you. Here you go.
Chaim l'chaim, chavre. This looks delicious.